Hello, what do you think about global warming?
Global warming is a really critical issue that's affecting our entire planet. It's primarily driven by human activities, especially the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas, which releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, causing the Earth's average temperature to rise, which we call global warming. This leads to significant consequences like melting glaciers and ice caps, rising sea levels, and more frequent and severe weather events like heat waves, droughts, and heavy rainfall. It also impacts ecosystems and biodiversity, threatening many species with extinction. Addressing this requires global cooperation and a shift toward renewable energy sources, as well as improving energy efficiency and protecting forests. What specific aspects of global warming interest you the most? Or what do you think are the most effective solutions?
I am interested in AI
I'm all
data
What are you
center. AI data center have raised the temperature up because we know that data center it must be very hot and the water in the earth I can say is it is it is not enough to make things colder. So, what do you think about AI make or increase global warming in the earth?
You're spot on about data centers needing a lot of energy, and that's where AI comes into play. Training and running large AI models requires massive computing power, which translates to significant electricity consumption from the grid. Because of this, many data centers are working hard to become more energy efficient and to source their power from renewable energy sources to minimize their carbon footprint. It's a complex challenge, and the tech industry is constantly looking for ways to balance innovation with sustainability. What are your thoughts on how we can make AI development more energy friendly?
I don't have any solution yet, but I I can ask you a question. What if people know choose Earth and they removing AI from the world? And but I think it is impossible. But if there is possibility into that, you are removed from the world. How do you think?
That's an interesting thought experiment. If AI were to disappear, we'd definitely feel the impact across many sectors, especially in areas like data processing, automation, and certain medical technologies. Many tasks that are currently handled quickly by AI would take much longer, requiring more human intervention. However, humans have a remarkable ability to adapt and innovate. We'd likely see a renewed focus on developing more efficient traditional systems and emphasizing human centric skills and creativity, the very things that make us unique in the first place. What do you think would be the
Yes,
biggest
I can say that it is likely have small possibility that we know like depends on the AI in so much area, and then in many areas I say, and then if we want to remove all the aspect of AI, we like go back into like 100 years ago, maybe, yeah. Because many numerical ways are now depending on the AI. So likely it is not possible to remove AI from the board, but we have to like balance the thing so we are not getting hotter, but we can use AI in our daily life. You, as an AI, what do you think it? What do you think the solution? It is from AI itself, or we? Oh, sorry, or we as a human have to think the solution.
It really takes a partnership between both. Humans are essential for setting policies, driving regulations, and designing more energy efficient hardware and algorithms from the start. At the same time, we can use AI itself to optimize data center cooling systems, improve resource management, and even design more compact, less power hungry models. How do you think we can best encourage industries to adopt these kinds of energy-saving practices?
I don't have any knowledge about saving data, getting hotter, or how we optimize the data center so we uh, can maximize the data, but we are not getting hotter. But right now, I want you to say clearly what is the best solution that are feasible to do right now.
The most practical and impactful solution we can implement right now involves a few key steps. First, we need to upgrade data center cooling systems, moving from traditional air conditioning to much more efficient liquid cooling technologies, or even exploring advanced methods like ocean cooling. Second, data
Yes,
centers
okay,
can
yes.
transition to powering their
Ocean cooling.
operations.
Sorry, I interrupt you, but I want to know more about ocean cooling. If we do the ocean cooling, does it make the ocean water become hot so it could be danger the animal in the sea? What do you think about it?
That's a very valid concern. When data centers use ocean water for cooling, they draw in cold water and then discharge warmer water back into the sea. If that warm water isn't properly managed and diffused, it can raise the local temperature, which could
How,
definitely impact marine
how
ecosystems.
can see how can we say properly manage here? What is the standard?
Properly managed means using systems like outfall diffusers, which quickly disperse and dilute the warmer water with the surrounding ocean so local temperatures don't spike. The standards are set by environmental agencies, which issue thermal discharge permits with strict limits on temperature increases and require regular monitoring to make sure marine life is protected.
Okay. I hope it is going well because like we are us we are very depending on the AI in many area, and we do not want to remove AI from the world, but in other side we as a human don't want to temperature to rise up so it could be danger in, and we do like many flood and many uh, bird migration that are very dangerous to ecological. Yeah.
It's a really important balance to consider. You're absolutely right that AI is incredibly valuable, but we must find sustainable ways to support it without harming our ecosystems or causing thermal pollution. What specific kind of sustainability measures are you most interested in learning about?
Uh, I think I cannot answer that question right now. Uh, I'll be off. Thank you for accompanying me to talk, to discuss about water rise temperature or global warming or AI make us hotter. Uh, I agree on the idea that AI must live forever, but human in many ways also important to live forever. Thank you,
I
then.
couldn't help but notice the word on.
Take care.
You too. Before you go, I wanted to point out that the word on your t-shirt appears to be mirrored in the video, but it looks like it spells unity.
Yes, unity.